Welcome to my channel. Things we need: a white pen, a scissor, a cutter, 3 markers, a glue, any soap and any face wash, a hard paper, some computer sheets. Let's start to make it. Cut markers with the help of cutter. Make same procedure with others. Take 6 circles on hard paper. Make 3 holes with the help of marker. Cut it. Take a computer sheet and cut into a layer. Make little cut in it. Color it. Add same procedure with others. Make a fruit design in it. Roll the computer sheets on the markers. I don't have any soap, then I use a face wash. Add water. Mix it. Take a computer sheet and spread it with help of brush. Just wait to dry it. Cut it. Put all pieces into the pen. Please leave a comment if you like my video. Make 3 circles in it. Add glue in the circles. Cut it. some more computer sheet. Take a design. Wow! Take some computer sheet. Wow! It's ready. Let's try it. Open it. Take the soap in my hand. Wash it. Wow! It's work! Second test. Let's try it. Please subscribe. Like and share. Thanks for watching.